الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum class. It's me Miss Kanis Fatma from the Educator Paru Class Campus. Class 3. Today our first class of the session 2021 to 22. Today date 6 May, date Thursday and subject science. Class, before start our class, first raise your hand for the dua. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair. Ameen summa. Now class 3, let's go with me outside of the class. First I want to show you some very interesting thing. Okay, come with me. Look at this. This is the kind of plant and it's called grass. It's grass. And this one is shrub. These all are the shrubs. And this one is plant. This one is the plant. And look at these. These all are the plant. Do you know what's grow on the plant? So many fruits and vegetables grow on the plant. Eggplant is also grow on these. And big plants called the trees. Big plant called the trees. This is the tree and these all are the trees. And these all are the creepers and climber. These need to stand any support. Without support it can't stand. That's why these all are the climbers or creepers. Now class, come with me and sit down. Take out your book. It's your science book. And today we are going to learn the Unit 1. Unit 1, grouping living things. Page number 2, grouping plants. Class, when we go outside of the class, we have seen the different type of the plants and we have discussed about it. Now in the chapter plants are the living thing. They can be grouped together on the basis the way they are similar. We have seen then the all plants are the green color but their size is the very different to the each other. Look at the plants, the page number 2 and the 3 here. Look at these plants. Here the grasses which have seen in the garden, and this one is the flowering plant and the small plant. Turn the page. Here this one creepers or the climbers we have seen in the garden also. These all are the climbers or the creepers. Class, the climbers and the creepers need support to stand. Do you know which fruit and the vegetable grow in the creepers? The fruit melon, watermelon and the vegetables pumpkin. And do you know which class, you know which vegetable grow in the small plant? The brinjal or eggplant. It grow on the plant, or you can say that the short plant. Here some the trees, coconut tree, here mango tree, and how many trees? So many trees. Apple tree, guava tree, and papaya tree. These all fruits grow on the trees. Some trees are very much tall, which grow on the in the Pakistan northern areas. The pine trees. The pine trees are very much tall tree. On the page number 6, here is the also the different type of the plants. Here fern spores. These are the very small plants. And pine needles. Look at this. These leaves is just like the needles. Very sharp needles. The needles which we have seen or we use for sewing the cloths. These all are like that. Here bracken fern. It's also a very small plant and needs a lot of water, or you can say it's grow on the marshy areas. Here the mosses. Mosses is also very small plant. They are similar because they don't produce flowers. These all plants are similar in which basis they all don't produce the flowers, but they are different. Look at these. Their leaves are different to each other, but they are similar in this way because they don't produce the flowers. Plants that do not produce flowers are called the non-flowering plant. These all are called the non-flowering plants. And the plants which produce the flower, they are called the flowering plant. Just like here we have seen. And you can tell me the name of the plants which are called the flowering plant, just like the rosemary plant and jasmine plant and rose plant. They all produce the flower. So they all are called the flowering plant. Class, I hope you understand the lecture. Now I am going to give you the homework. Homework is question number 1. Write 2 names of short plants and tall plants. Question number 2. Draw the diagram of any short plant. Take out your activity book. This one is your activity book. Now open the page number 2. Activity number 1. Grouping the plants you have to do. And on the page number 3, look at the plants in this boxes below. C, D, and you have to write down the question's answer. To look at the plant in the boxes below. Here the group 1 and group B. How have the plants been grouped? How have the plants grouped? We know that by their shape, size, they are flowering plant or non-flowering plants. We group like that. Name the other plant that can be placed in group A. Which plant you can place in the group A? Write down the name here. Just like you can write down the name of the banana tree, coconut tree and the others. In this, name the other plant that can be placed in the group B. Which plant you can place in the group B? You can place the plant in the group B, eggplant. And the question, page number 3. Look at the plants in the boxes below. Here the group C and the group D. Question number 1. How have the plant been grouped? Here the how have the plant grouped? They are flowering or non-flowering plant. Name the another plant that can place in the group C. Here which plant produce the flower? You can write down the name here. And question number C. Name the other plant that can be placed in group D. Which plant you can place in the group D? Aloe vera plant you can place in the group D. Show you the copy presentation. In the first page you will make the title page. Which page? First term. And in the next page, unit number 1. Grouping. Plants. After that, turn the page and draw the margin line. Here, one margin line already drawn, and you have to draw the margin line here. Here you will write the chapter number only. Here you will write the date, and so class work, homework, you will write down the here. And after that, write down the question number 1. Here write down the question number 1, and after writing the question number 1, drop the one line and write down the answer here. When you complete the answer, drop the one line and write down the question number 2. Just like you have to do your copy work. Yes, classmates, I hope you understand how you will do the homework in your copy and how you will do the activity book, page number 2 and 3. If you have any problems regarding to the lecture or your copy work or activity book work, we will meet in the Zoom class. Then we will try to solve the all problems. Now class.